Hello Codelopers, welcome back to Codelopment. If you are a computer science student looking to build some cool and innovative Java full stack projects, you are in the right place. In this video, I'll share 12 exciting project ideas that will not only improve your coding skills but also make your resume stand out. Always remember, if you want your resume to get shortlisted in a company, then a unique project matters the most. The project skills and technology are almost the same in everyone's resume, but projects are unique. So only after seeing the project you get a call for an interview or your resume is shortlisted. That's why the project is very important. Make as many projects as possible and write in the resume. And more importantly, if you want the source code of any projects we have discussed in the video, then write the name of the project in the comment section. We will try to send its source code as soon as possible. Whether you are preparing for placements, internship, or just want to sharpen your Java skills, these project ideas cover a wide range from AI-powered solutions to practical real-world applications. So let's get started. The first project is secure voting system using blockchain. In today's world, security and transparency in voting are huge concerns. With this project, you can build a secure online voting system using blockchain technology. Here's how it works. Every vote is stored in blockchain ledger, making it tamper-proof. You will be working with Java, Spring Boot for the backend, or React or Angular frontend, and integrating blockchain APIs like Ethereum or Hyperledger Fabric. This project is impressive because it combines security, data integrity, and cutting-edge technology, a perfect choice for showcasing your skills in full-stack development and blockchain. And if you want the source code of this project, then write the name of the project in the comment section. We will try to send its source code as soon as possible. The second project is AI-powered chatbot for college. Imagine a chatbot that answers all the student queries, exam dates, class schedules, or even faculty contacts. In this project, you will develop an AI-based chatbot specifically designed for college or university systems. Using Java, Spring Boot for the backend and React for the frontend, you will integrate NLP libraries like Google's Dialogflow or Rasa to make the chatbot understand and respond to user queries. It's a great project to showcase your knowledge of machine learning, REST APIs, and how to build intelligent systems using Java technologies. And if you want the source code of this project, then write the name of the project in the comment section. We will try to send its source code as soon as possible. Project number 3 is advanced attendance system using face and QR. Manual attendance is outdated, right? This project automates the process using face recognition and QR code scanning. Here's the idea. Students either scan or QR code or their face is detected via webcam and their attendance is automatically recorded. You will use OpenCV for facial detection, Java Spring Boot for backend logic, and React to build a user-friendly interface. This project is excellent for learning image processing and integrating hardware interactions with software solutions. And if you want the source code, then write the project name in the comment section. Project number 4 is real-time code editor and collaborative platform. Ever use Google Docs? Imagine something similar but for coding. With the project, you will build a real-world collaborating coding platform where multiple users can write and edit code simultaneously. The backend will use Java Spring Boot with WebSockets for real-time communication, and the frontend can be built using React. You will also integrate a code execution engine to compile code in real time. This is an advanced project but shows your ability to work with real-time data sync, networking, and full-stack system architecture. And if you want the source code of this project, then write the name of the project in the comment section. Project number 5 is Recruitment and Staffing Web Application. This project focuses on simplifying the recruitment process. You will build a system where companies post job openings and candidates apply online. You will create modules for user authentication, job listings, resume uploads, and even automated interview scheduling. Using Spring Boot for the backend, a MySQL database for storing job and applicant data, and React for the frontend. This project teaches you how to manage user workflows and complex data handling in a real-world business scenario. And if you want the source code, then write the project name in the comment section. The project number 6 is Online Virtual Study Group Platform. Students often need a place to collaborate. With this project, you will build a study group platform where users can join virtual rooms for specific subjects. Key features include group chat, file sharing, and live discussions. You will also use Spring Boot to manage user sessions, WebSockets for real-time messaging, and React for the UI. This project is an excellent demonstration of working with real-time systems, sessions management, and scalable architectures. If you need source code, write the project name in the comment section. Project number 7 is AutoEase online car showroom system. Think of this as a virtual car showroom where users can browse, compare, and book vehicles. You will implement features like car listings, search filters, and booking system. The backend will use Spring Boot and you will use React to provide an interactive user experience. This project helps you master e-commerce logic, payment integration, and creating responsive UI components. And if you need source code, write the project name in the comment section. Project number 8 is Connect and Converse Interactive Discussion Hub, a discussion forum for university students where they can post questions, discuss topics, and collaborate on projects. You will need to build user authentication, post creation, commenting, and real-time notifications. This project involves Spring Boot for the backend and React for the frontend. It's a great way to learn about CRUD, operations, data modeling, and handling user-generated content. And if you want the source code, then write the project name in the comment section. Project number 9 is e-loan application and verification system. Here's a practical project. An online portal for applying and verifying loans. Users can submit loan requests and the system can evaluate their eligibility using present conditions. You will use Java Spring Boot for business logic and React to build the applicant interface. This project demonstrates your ability to manage from validations, data security, and workflow automations. And if you want the source code, write the project name in the comment section. Project number 10 is online portal for real estate management. In this project, you will create an online property management system where real estate agents can list properties and buyers can explore and contact them. You will use Spring Boot for managing listings and user data, React for the UI, and MySQL for the database. This project helps you understand large-scale data management, image uploads, and handling user permissions. And if you want the source code, write the project name in the comment section. Project number 11 is Prod Genius AI-powered task management. This project focuses on a smart task manager that uses AI to prioritize and suggest tasks based on user behavior. You will use machine learning APIs to analyze task patterns, Spring Boot for backend logic, and React for the user interface. This advanced project highlights your expertise in AI integrations and automatic decision-making processes. And if you want the source code, write the project name in the comment section. Last but not least, AI-based career guidance system. Finally, a system that offers personalized career suggestions based on user input and industry trends. The backend logic in Spring Boot uses machine learning to map user skills with job profiles, and the React frontend provides interactive career insights. This project is great if you want to demonstrate your knowledge of data analysis, recommendations, algorithms, and user personalizations. And if you want the source code, write the project name in the comment section. We will try to send its source code as soon as possible. So these were 12 final year project ideas that you can make using Java. A small request to you is that you should send this video to your friends so that your friends can also make one or two of these project ideas, and if possible send it to your college group so that your friends can also get project ideas by watching this video, and they can also prepare for placement and make them in a good resume. If you want me to make videos on every project idea in the future, explain each project properly, explain the modules of each project, and also show how to clone from GitHub, show that too in a separate video, how to install it, how to run it in your own system, then subscribe to Codelopment so that whenever we make a video on it, you get the information first. And that's all. See you in the next video.